Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Cash App to your bank account. It's a very simple process, but stay until the end to make sure you do it correctly. The first thing we need to do is open Cash App and check if we're logged in. If not, log into your account. Once you've confirmed that you're logged in, you'll notice a bank icon at the bottom left of the screen, next to a wallet icon. Tap on the bank icon. Here, you'll see the amount of money available in your Cash App account. In my case, I have $0, but I can still show you how it's done. You'll see your total balance at the top, and just below that, there's an option that says Cash Out. Tap on it. After clicking Cash Out, you'll be asked to select the amount of money you want to withdraw. Obviously, you can't withdraw more money than you have in Cash App, so choose the amount you want and hit Next. Now, you'll see two options. You can either send the money instantly to your bank account, meaning you'll receive it right away. Note that there's a small fee for this option, or you can choose the standard transfer option. The standard option doesn't tell you exactly when the money will arrive, but if it's not urgent, it's better to choose this option since there's no fee. Once you've selected your preferred option, you'll need to confirm the transaction. On an iPhone, you can use Face ID, or if you're on another device, you might need to enter a password. And that's it. Your money will now be on its way to your bank account.